This time on building terminology, the valley. So the valley or the valley board is a rafter which lies along the line of a valley where two pitched roof surfaces meet at an internal angle. They carry the crippled jack rafters and the valley creeper rafters, and they would usually support a series of valley boards and a valley gutter. So the valley is essentially the same as a hip, as that it intersects a corner, normally at 45 degrees on plan view. It has all the same angles and bevels as a hip. However, it's just used on an internal corner rather than an external corner. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.